Oh, to be creative, how wonderful. The preserve of the few, maybe? Oh no. Creativity is available to everyone. And I think one of the great tragedies in life is people just don't realise how creative they actually are. If only they realised every single person has this beautiful, deep reserve of creative energy that they just don't know how to unlock. And the purpose of this video is to show you the 6 methods I use to release creativity and to get on the higher plane of thought where all creativity lies. But people say to me all the time, it's okay for you. You were born with this gift of creativity. Yes, and everybody was born with this gift. But sadly it gets suppressed in childhood and people go through life not realising they have this wonderful gift. So, to back up what I'm saying, look at a group of kids under the age of 5. They are 100% creative. They have incredible abilities for abstract reasoning. They haven't discovered how to be judgmental. They just accept everything. They paint, they draw, and they really don't care. They are beautifully creative. Take the same kids by the age of 7 and it's gone. Because it's literally been pummeled out of them with a giant hammer. It's been compressed. Don't do this. Do what I say. Don't do what you want to do. Grow up. Don't be a chump. Do what I do. And pretty soon the child becomes a conformist and goes through life as a conformist, living life in a linear way, thinking they have no creativity. The wonderful thing about creativity is it lies dormant, almost like a latent, innate force waiting to be reenacted once the person knows the key to unlock it. So the 6 methods I use are as follows, and this is powerful stuff. Now, what I'm going to tell you may sound a bit West Coast, a bit spiritual, new age, hippie-ish, but it works, and all creative people use these methods. So, method number 1, solitude. This is just going into the quiet. This is the most basic form of meditation. Unplug yourself from the grid, no mobiles, go into a quiet room, sit and close your eyes and focus on your breath for a period of 20 to 30 minutes. This will seem difficult to start with because all the negatives come in. What the hell are you doing? This is crazy. You're too busy to do this. You've got this to do. You've got that to do. No, just stay with it because this is really powerful. After about 20 minutes, your mind will start to flow. You will feel calm and you'll get onto what I term the higher plane of thought, where you're connecting with the infinite intelligence. And that's where all creativity lies. Ideas will just flow into your mind, and the more you do this, the more powerful it will become. So, number 2, exercise. Exercise stimulates the parts of the brain responsible for creativity. And don't bother going to the gym where you'll be disturbed, as I often am. Go for a walk. Walking's wonderful. You're in good company too. Einstein said all his great creative ideas, his intuitive flashes, all came when he was walking. Number 3, embrace nature and all its beauty and majesty. Lose yourself in nature. And this is combined with number 2. Whilst you're walking, view nature in a different way. Look at the trees. Don't walk past them. Look at the trees. Look at the asymmetric design. Look at the shadows they cast. Look at the beautiful cloud formations. Make pictures in the clouds. Look at the tiniest detail. Whilst embracing nature, whilst submerged in nature, you haven't got the time to be thinking all the negative shit of life. Just embrace nature, and again at that point you're actually on this higher plane of thought. So number 4, very important, affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements about what you want to achieve in life and where you want to go. So you want to be more creative? I'm so creative. I'm so creative. You need to say it with power and conviction. It has to be emotionalised. So it's no good, I'm creative, I'm creative. I'm so creative, I'm so creative. This is a mantra you say over and over and over again. You can say it before you fall asleep, when you get up in the morning, during the day, under your breath, or out loud as I do, because I don't really care what people think. This is basic auto-suggestion. It goes down into your subconscious mind after a while, and once it's accepted by the subconscious mind, all your actions will be that of a creative person. Believe you me, this works. Number 5 on your creative journey, doodling. Just get some charcoal and just draw free-flowing lines. That very process of just being the loosening up, we always do this before live sessions, just draw creatively. That very process of those flowing lines will actually free you up and get you onto the higher plane of thought. Okay, so number 6, and by far the most important, visualization. Visualization has been used by artists and creatives throughout history. Everybody uses it, whether they realise it or not. All beautiful designs, all great works of art started as a single thought and was visualised to achieve a tangible result. This is used throughout all genres. Sports psychologists teach athletes to visualise the end result. So, for example, a runner would be taught, visualise yourself standing on the rostrum with the medal around your neck, and that will eventually come into the athlete's life, if they believe it strong enough. For an artist, for a painter, if I were a painter, I'd be thinking my own solo exhibition. I'd visualise a solo exhibition, seeing my name above the door. People coming to me, congratulating me, telling me how wonderful I was. Selling the picture, taking a red dot, putting the red dot, and how to God does that feel to actually get a sale? It's beautiful. Think that. The subconscious will believe it, because it can't tell the difference between physical reality and something vividly imagined, and it will come into the person's life. And it's a beautiful experience, and just the process of visualization will create the beautiful creative juices. And the principle behind visualization is that the physical world is actually an illusion, and it's nothing more than the expression and manifestation of the thoughts held in the conscious mind. So if you visualize with passion about the thing you want, that will come into your life. This is the most powerful thing you can do as a creative. And that's it. Those are the 6 keys. I personally held carving sessions at my farm where you can learn to relief carve in a single day, which is the basis of all 3D sculpture, and also connect with nature. I also teach some of the metaphysics that I briefly highlighted on creativity. And if you'd like to leave a comment regarding your own journey to creative nirvana, please feel free to do so. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.